Hello, this is Julie Hall. The Excel to Word document automation add-in makes it easy to update content in Word or PowerPoint documents based on analysis, data, and charts in Excel workbooks. The add-in enables you to easily update text, tables, and charts from Excel to Word or PowerPoint. 5 key takeaways. The add-in significantly reduces time to personalize documents that need to be updated multiple times or by multiple people. 2. It allows users to link documents once, then update those documents many times or by many people. 3. There are many usage scenarios, from financial analysis and reporting to creating personalized customer documents for sales organizations. 4. The add-in includes tools that make it easy to link content in your Word or PowerPoint document to source data and charts in your Excel spreadsheet. And the links are very durable. 5. It is easy to get started. To try it and for light usage, it does not require registration or login. And it's easy to install from the Office Store or from within your Office apps. Now I'll show you a quick demonstration using the sample content that can be found within the add-in. I'll make some changes in my inputs here. I'll change this number, and I'm going to change the customer name. Then I'll submit content in Excel, and then go over to Word and update the document. And then I can see that the changes have been made. Here's how it would look in PowerPoint. Again, in Excel, I'm going to change a few inputs so that I can see how they change in PowerPoint. Then I want to submit the content from the add-in in Excel. Then I go over to PowerPoint and update my document. When updating PowerPoint, you need to download the updated PowerPoint to see the changes. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then I can see that it has been updated. The add-in is available in the Office App Store or through the Insert tab of Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. It is a single add-in for all 3 apps, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. This add-in requires Microsoft Office, primarily Office 365 subscription version, or Office Online via OneDrive. It must be added to Excel and either Word or PowerPoint. Once you've installed and activated the add-in, the Start tab includes simple instructions, sample content, resource links, and documents to get you started quickly. After you try the sample content, then convert your own documents or start with a new document. The add-in makes it easy to link or map content between the source Excel workbook and the destination Word or PowerPoint documents. In Excel, the add-in walks you through how to name source items such as ranges, tables, and charts. In Word, you tag content controls, and in PowerPoint, you tag shapes to match the desired source content in Excel. Once you have the content linked, it can be easily updated. In Excel, under the List tab, the add-in walks you through how to name content in ranges, images of ranges, tables, and charts. Once you've created the links, they can be listed above. Links in Word are updated by going to the Link tab in Word, and once you have the Excel data, you choose where you would like your link to be, and from the drop-down, you pick the correct item, and then you insert the content. You can also move between existing content controls through the add-in. Items in PowerPoint are linked by going to the Edit Alt Text, finding the correct item that you would like to match up, and copying and pasting that into the alt text line. There are a variety of scenarios where the add-in can be used, in particular where Excel is used to enter, consolidate, and analyze data, and where the results need to be reported via Word or PowerPoint documents, and where the documents need to be updated multiple times. The add-in can also perform document assembly and mail merge. Here are a few examples of ways that our customers have used the add-in. Users have created sales and marketing collateral, recurring financial, legal, and scientific reports, project updates, business dashboards, and much more, all from Excel-based assessments. The add-in also contains powerful enterprise or advanced capabilities that allow organizations to create and manage Excel-based tools that are deployed to multiple users. One of our most popular features is template-based document generation within Excel. For example, you could create a sales proposal automation tool used by your sales team. Their changes in Excel could be updated directly into a Word or PowerPoint document from a drop-down in the Excel add-in. An administrator would control features like version control and usage analytics can be used. It can also allow users to create their own document automation solutions. Many individuals and organizations have used the add-in to save time and increase accuracy through document automation. We hope it helps you too. Thank you.